स्पेशलाइजेशन। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करने वाले हैं वन मोर एमबीए स्पेशलाइजेशन के बारे में, एंड दैट इज एमबीए इन बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स. See, I have already uploaded videos regarding so many MBA specializations. So if you missed up with that videos, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description, or else you can also click on this I button. Alright, so without wasting the time, let's begin with today's video, and that is scope of doing MBA in BE. Basically, scope of doing MBA in BE stands for Master of Business Administration in Business Economics, and it is a 2 years post-graduation program which is designed to overcome the issues occurring in the business world. See, nowadays ऐसे बहुत सारे business है जो continuously required करते हैं analytical approaches as well as quantitative approaches with the use of latest technologies in the field of business and economics, right? ये जो specialization है that is specially featured for how to engage with the businesses as well as how to build a relationship with the companies by using the resources such as manpower, product, target market and capital. Basically, MBA in business economics जो है that is created by two components. First one is business and second one is economics, right? So ये जो दोनों components है वो together mix होके क्या करते हैं, successful strategy को create करते हैं, and it will help us, it will help the businesses for achieving the target as well as earning the profit. Moreover, the main purpose of this specialization is to provide students knowledge regarding macroeconomics as well as microeconomics, also analytical techniques. As well as this specialization also helps students to become a skilled person who are able to deal with any challenges which is related to competitive business world in the era of globalization and privatization. So ये बात हो गई MBA इन बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स है क्या. अब हम बात करते हैं किस टाइप के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ये स्पेशलाइजेशन सुटेबल है. सो अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा है हु इज विलिंग टू मेक देयर करियर इन द एरा ऑफ फिनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, देन मार्केटिंग मैनेजमेंट एंड ह्यूमन रिसोर्स डेवलपमेंट, एज वेल एज अगर कोई स्टूडेंट ऐसा है जिनकी कम्युनिकेशन स्किल बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छी है, ऑल्सो एबिलिटी टू हैंडल द प्रेशर, and we can say who is caliber to managing the things, then that particular students are best for selecting this specialization. All right, next move on to eligibility criteria. To do MBA in business economics, you should have completed your graduation with minimum 55% score, as well as you have to clear one entrance exam. I have already uploaded video regarding different MBA entrance exams. So if you missed up with that video, then please click on the link which is mentioned in my description. So after getting a good score in entrance exam, colleges will call you for the personal interview and group discussion. On the basis of your performance in PI and group discussion, you will be called for admission. Alright. Next is admission fees. See, the college fees are varied from different colleges. Basically, it ranges from 5 lakhs to 5 lakhs to 20 lakhs per annum. Alright? See, जो टॉप कॉलेजेस की जो लिस्ट है वो मैंने ऑलरेडी डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है. सो आप वहाँ जाके टॉप MBA बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स की कॉलेजेस है उसको रेफर आउट कर सकते हो. एंड प्लीज गो टू ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कॉलेजेस सो दैट आपको इन डेप्थ इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाए उनके क्राइटेरिया के बारे में. अब हम मूव ऑन करते हैं लास्ट टॉपिक की तरफ, एंड दैट इज करियर अपॉर्चुनिटीज. सी, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग MBA इन बिजनेस इकोनॉमिक्स, स्टूडेंट्स कैन गेट अ जॉब इन द एरिया ऑफ कॉर्पोरेशन, इन्वेस्टमेंट फर्म एंड गवर्नमेंट एजेंसीज, वेयर द मेन रोल ऑफ स्टूडेंट इज टू प्रोवाइड कंटिन्यूअसली एनालिटिकल सॉल्यूशंस फॉर द प्रॉब्लम्स विच इज अकरिंग इन द बिजनेस वर्ल्ड. अदर देन दैट आप अप्लाई कर सकते हो फॉर इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग, बिजनेस डेवलपमेंट, then stock broking firms, financial institutions, industrial organization, non-profit organization, export companies, as well as marketing firms. These are the different employment area where you can apply after completing MBA in BE. Okay guys, so here I am done with scope of doing MBA in business economics. Still, if you have any query related to any concept, feel free to ask me in the comment section, or else you can also follow my social media pages, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, मैंने ऑलरेडी ये तीनों सोशल मीडिया की जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दी है, सो आप वहाँ जाके मुझे फॉलो कर सकते हो। सी यू इन माई नेक्स्ट वीडियो विद सम अनदर टॉपिक regarding MBA degree. Till goodbye, keep learning, keep educating yourself. Thank you so much for watching.